to show you how to take the Casita off of your truck. So first we're going to locate our keys right here. There's two keys that say master on it. We need those to take off this safety pin. So you have to turn it to unlock it, slide it off of the pin, and hold on to that. So I'm gonna put that down. We'll start over here, unhooking the electricity. Electricity's off. And then I'm gonna do the chains. So the two chains are off. And now we need to get the main part, the ball, off. So we include this little rubber mallet. Trailer needs just a little help getting it off. So first you pick this up out of this little groove that it's in. You have to give it a little hit here to get that up. A couple hits just to get it kind of back and moving. Now I'm going to crank it up off of the brick. Kind of gotta get it a little high, and then trick for me is I always stand on the bumper here